Thank you. Now I'm sleeping because of you. Boom! Hi guys, we're doing another video. Today we're going to be watching something. It's the best day of my life. I've been watching some of my favorite videos, and this is going to be insane. Let me take my screen recorder down there, and I'm move my camera right where you can see me. And just so you know, I was watching How Ridiculous, and I was. So make sure you subscribe to him like this. The reason why I haven't subscribed to him because I wanted to show you how to subscribe to him. All you gotta do is go to there. So you press. I'll subscribe for a second. You press this red button. Then you press this notifications to get all notifications, all notified. So they're going live. You'll get notified, and here you like them. To help them get more likes, that's really all, guys. Then after that, you go to my channel, Abdul Salam bin Qadra, spelled just like this. Check out my channel. Check all the videos I made, and subscribe to them, give a like. And then once you go turn to notification, I'm going to be uploading this video to YouTube right this second. But once I get, I'm going to be showing another video about going to see look. So you go to here, Lady Man's. Her name is Philistine bin Qadra. You copy it. I'll copy it and show you how to do it in the thing. So you press this, Philistine Qadra, and then she only has one video. But look, she is live right now on her video, and watch. This video is how to get free Robux. How to get free Robux. Right here. This is how to get free Robux, and then you get free Robux for just free. It's a prank. As you can see on the front screen, it's a prank. So you're not gonna actually get that much Robux. Make sure to check out that video. And now we're gonna be going back to How Ridiculous, so you can watch their video. And just so you know, I'm going to be watching more about YouTuber things. Just so you know that. Okay, watch this video.
My grandpa's nose is performing flat in the bumblebee.
Just take my camera right up here.
Now you goof. Can't believe how easy it was to save hundreds of dollars.
Okay, watch this video. Once you get it, you'll know how to do it. See that up there, guys? That's gonna hit directly on it. Oh wait, I forgot, guys. I turned on slow speed.
But the bowling ball was a hit.
Literally.
Hey,
Yeah, you took me up. Thanks, Stanford.
that was good.
And what challenge did we set for the giant dart?
A lot of likes.
Yeah, 444,000.
And it was a big effort.
We weren't far off. I think we're in the 300s.
Yeah, let's be honest. We're always going to do this. We're always going to do this one.
And we're going to do it right this time.
We are going to do it right. It's the right way. Round stand.
Oh, yeah.
Pop
Lawrence
him up,
is going to prop
Lawrence.
him up. Oh, look at
Polycarbonate on the bottom like it's meant to be, apparently. We learned
Yeah,
that.
we
from you
learned
guys.
things here.
Big lift from me.
Yeah,
boys.
that's right.
Bring back into it.
Yeah, so good to get it the right
We
way.
didn't know.
Yeah.
No, we
think
were
it mattered.
amateurs. We were bulletproof glass
Innocence
amateurs.
was bliss, though, I will say.
Ignorance.
Damn it.
Ignorance was bliss.
Innocence is
Yeah.
also bliss.
Gaunt's on fire this morning. It's going to be a good day. If you watch this and have no idea about the bulletproof glass, we've already done a bowling ball versus
have we?
stuff. Check out the card. Go have a watch if you don't know what we're on about.
He is talking about this, guys. Before I get into this video, I'm going to tell you to check out this video. I've been wanting to show you for a long time, but first, yeah, let's check out this video. I've been sitting here for a long time. I want you to get free Robux, but check out this video right now. Full scene is going live, so get all notifications. But wait a second, guys. Wait a second, guys. We'll get into this. This is the guy I wanted to show you, Dang Matt Smith. Just like this, he uploads videos. He's uploading scary videos right now. So make sure to subscribe to him, give a like. And right now I'm on my Mac. I'm not on my other computer doing Roblox. Today I'm going to be doing a little Roblox, but not all Roblox. So you search it up like this: Dang Matt Smith. Once you enter, you will see a whole lot of videos. And once you see them, guys, they are pretty much not that good. But once you see them, you'll get into it. All these videos, make sure to check them out. That's all of it, guys. So we're gonna go to Roblox right now. Roblox right now. Right here, right now. Just so you know, I can't tell you my password because people on this internet is not safe. It's not safe at all. So I can't tell you everything right now. I will be doing a credit card giveaway. Whoever wins it will get their own free Robux. So we'll get their own free Robux, and you have it. So this is me, Ninja Pigman 2, and then I'm going to be playing some Meep City. I'm going to be playing a little bit until I end this video right here. So, and then right now, and I'm going to be ending the video soon, about 5 more minutes. I'll end the video, and then make sure to subscribe, give a like, turn on notifications. This is my longest video, guys, so I want you to subscribe. Let's go for 15 subscribers, 15 likes. We'll be done, guys. Let's get right into this video. Let's get into Roblox right this second, and then let's go. So right now we are trying to see them. Okay, yeah. So now we are doing that. Those who don't hear me on the mic, comment down below #no mic, and then that means you won't be hearing me. So I will try to upgrade my mic and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing it. Okay, it's open now, guys. So right now we're in the game. I really can't control right on the Mac. But we're doing good alrighty, guys, so Perk Ninja YouTube. This time I'm gonna be looking for the whole video. Okay, so guys, once I'm over into the team, we're gonna have to end video here, guys. So make sure to subscribe and like. One day I'm going to be doing a whole video on one game, and that's when I'm going to be having a lot of subscribers. I guarantee it, guys. So I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, guys. Smash that like button, turn on notifications. I'll be looking in the description below how to download Roblox. And then get free Robux. Bye, guys. Peace and turn on notifications.